Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay. How are you, everyone?
Fine, ma'am.
We are fine, ma'am.
We are fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what
Okay,
about you?
Me too, also fine. It's already late, so let's begin our class. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Before beginning the class, I would like to say something to you. Okay. Okay. Most of the students, most of you are not doing the assignment, yeah, except Anandita, Dilasa, Pratisha, Rugosa, Subham, and which Sura Sapkota, I don't know. Okay, Samir and Pratik, other student did not do their assignment. I want to know what is the reason behind it. Do I know
Ma'am,
why you people not do your assignment?
I'm only from
What is
today
the
in
reason?
your class.
Okay, you haven't on.
I am from today in your class.
Me too, ma'am. I am also from today in your
Yeah.
Ma'am, it is my
So
first
all,
social class.
okay, all of you, please try to do. If you do not understand the question, please ask me in the class. Otherwise, please try to complete and send your assignment. Okay. And second thing I want to share with you is our class is being quite noisy. Yeah. So when class will be running, please mute yourself. Okay. And I'll give you 10 minutes at the end of the class. At that time, you can ask me the question or whatever you have, you can ask me. Okay, note down the question when class will be running and ask me at the end of the class. I'll give you 10 minutes. Okay. And next one is when your friend is speaking, please mute yourself. So the thing what your friend is sharing about or talking about, you can understand. Okay, if all they started to speak, then it will be very difficult to understand. Yeah. And my last request to you is when you enter inside the class, please do your video on. Okay, this is the request of my to you. Please do your video on when you are in class. Okay. And about the assignment, I want to say another thing to you. If you do not submit your assignment, then I will be forced to call your parents and I'll try to know the reason why you are not doing your work, because our exam is coming nearer. And do you know that what 25 marks or 25 percentage of the marks will be added from your discipline, from your assignment, and about the attendance. Yeah, so please all of you try to follow the rules of the class. Every student who are doing, who are not doing, I know, and I'm keeping the record of them also. And you know that who are doing well, what will they get, you know. Yeah, so please from next time I want 100% student will do the assignment. Okay. So I found the problem. I think you had problem doing the question number 2 of our last assignment. Yeah, that question was about what should we do to preserve the tradition of celebrating the festivals. Okay, so let's have a discussion on that question. Okay. Okay, do you have any idea what should we do for preserving tradition of celebrating festival of us? What kind of efforts we can do for conserving the tradition of celebrating the festival? Do you want to share? Anybody want to share? Anybody?
May I try?
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the
Okay.
page number?
Yes, Mama. It's we are discussing about question number 2 of our last assignment. Adhyana Suvedia. I think Adhyana Suvedi. Adhyana.
Yes, ma'am.
Adhyana, what should we do for preserving the tradition of celebrating festival? We celebrate festival. Yeah, we have to preserve them. But how should we preserve them?
We can preserve tradition by
What? Any idea? Okay, now let's have a look. Okay, take the slide about the with preserving the tradition of celebrating the festival. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, and we'll also discuss about them. Okay, here are some ways of preserving the tradition of celebrating the festival. Yeah, for preserving the tradition of celebrating the festival, we have to. Okay, Adhyana, can you read the first point?
Okay, ma'am.
All are chatting
Okay.
only. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Continuing to celebrate the festival of our religion or caste and participating in different festival of our community.
Yeah, yes. It means the festival which we are celebrating in different time, we have to give continuity to them. Yeah. Yes, we celebrate different kinds of festivals according to our religion or the caste. We have to give continuity to them, and we have to participate each and every activities which are done in those festivals. Yeah. For preserving them, we have to continue to celebrate the festivals, and we have to participate in different activities which are done or which are observed in different festivals. Okay, similarly, Prince, can you read point number 2? Is there Prince?
Yes, ma'am. I can read.
Prince, can you read
Ma'am,
question number
Giving much
point number
importance to our own festivals than Western culture. If
Yeah, yes, we have to give most importance to the
Ma'am, it
festival.
means that it
Yeah,
means
yes.
that we celebrate our festivals. We should give them first priority than
Yes.
Western culture.
Exactly, Prince. Yes, there are many festivals which are celebrated according to our caste and culture. We have to give first priority to them. Yes, and we should respect the festivals which are not celebrated in our caste or culture, but we have to respect them. Yeah, but we have to give most priority the festival which are celebrated in our country. Yes. Okay. Similarly, next one is
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I say something?
okay, Dilasa.
No, I am so good, ma'am.
Sorry, Sagun.
Ma'am, most of the people of our country only follow the Western culture, so we have to give the first priority to our culture. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. We can see that some of the people in our community, yes, that what they give most priority to the Western culture. Like when there is a time of celebrating Christmas or Valentine's Day or the English New Year, they are very energetic, yeah. But they do not give much importance to the festival which are celebrated in our country or
Yeah.
in our caste or culture. So
Yeah.
we have to give first priority to celebrate the festival which are celebrated in our country, yeah, or in our caste or culture. Okay, third one is okay. Anybody want to read? Okay, the student who did not. Okay.
I don't have.
Yes. Okay. Though who did not get chance last time, please read the third point.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Minimizing or removing the bad culture is in the name of celebrating festivals.
Yeah, minimizing. Yeah, minimizing means reducing. Yes, in our culture there are both good and bad tradition. Yeah, we have to continue the good culture and we have to remove or we have to decrease the bad culture. Like that, but in festivals, some people expend the money unnecessarily. Yeah. Similarly, there is a show of such kind of and that drinking alcohols or playing what gambling also another that bad culture of in the time of celebrating festival. Such kind of bad traditions should be removed or decreased, yeah, so that all the people, all our new generation are encouraged to celebrate the festival in future. So that bad culture of in the time of celebrating festivals should be removed or minimized, yeah, decrease.
Ma'am,
Okay, next one.
if everybody, ma'am, सबैजना यो थर्ड पोइन्टलाई फलो गर्छ भने कुनै पनि ब्याड पिपुल नै हुँदैन यो वर्ल्डमा.
Yeah, yes, that your idea is absolutely correct. Yeah, there. So we have to follow the good tradition in the time of celebrating festival, and we have to try to decrease or remove, yeah, the bad tradition. Okay, yeah. So we have to try to that one convince them. Yeah. So okay, those students who did not get chance to study or to read, please can you read the 4th point? Who did not get chance? Okay, is there Samir? Samir Shrestha? Samir? Okay, Samir, can you read the 4th point?
Can I?
Samir, can you?
May I also?
Okay, let's give a chance to Samir. Okay, Samir, Samir, are you there? Okay, then another student who did not get chance, please read the 4th point. 4th point.
Swing and
Okay.
all the festivals are different gas and
Yeah. Okay, go on. Okay, who is reading? Please go on. Continue. Okay, the 4th point is showing the equal respect among all the festivals of different castes and religions. Yeah. Yes, in our community or society, there are many festivals. Yeah, we celebrate different kinds of festival according to our caste and religion. Yeah, so we must behave equally to all the festival. We should not discriminate. Yeah. So this will also will be helpful for preserving the tradition of celebrating the festival. Okay, 5th point. Can anybody read 5th point? Okay, promoting through different mass media. Yeah. So for preserving the tradition of celebrating the festival, we should try to promote about the ways of celebrating festivals, about the culture of celebrating festival to different mass medias. Mass medias means radios, television, yeah, other print media like different kinds of newspapers. Yeah, we have to try to promote them through different kinds of mass media. Okay. Okay, this is all. This is about the question number 2 of our last assignment. So please, who did not do this question, try to do. I hope you have understood. Okay, let's move on the next topic. Okay, now let's move on the next topic of unit 2. Okay, this is our unit 2 is about our national pride. Okay, now let me share the screen. Okay, now we are going to discuss about our national pride. It is the second lesson of unit 2. Okay, national prides. Do you know what do you mean by national pride? Do anybody have any idea? National pride.
our country.
Idea? Once again.
Our country.
Okay, our country.
Our country
Okay.
is that.
Please, whenever your friend is speaking or sharing the ideas, mute yourself. Okay. Okay. National pride means. Do you have any idea? Okay. Now, what is national pride? Okay. So, Suyog.
Yes, ma'am.
You read.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What is
Ma'am, this-
national pride? Okay.
National pride is the feeling of love, devotion, and
Mhm.
sense of attachment to a homeland and alliance with other citizens who share
Yeah.
the same sentiment. This attachment can be a combination of many different feelings relating to one's own homeland, including ethnic, cultural, or political or historical.
Yeah. Did you get any idea from here? What is national pride?
Ma'am.
Okay. Any idea?
Country is the main.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, feeling love for our country.
Yeah, absolutely, yes. If you have love for the country, if you respect the country, if you have love for the country, if you want to do something for the development of the country, yes. If Suyog has love for the country, if he has respect towards the nation, if he is ready to do anything for the betterment of the country, is known as what? National pride. It means it's the love, devotion, or the respect towards our country.
Ma'am, and if he is proud to be
Yes, proud to be.
Yes.
As
To the nation, yes.
yes. So if you people or if we people have love, the affection, attachment, or the respect towards our nation, that is called what? That is called national pride.
Nation.
Yeah, it's the love for our nation or the respect for our nation, attachment for our nation. Yeah. Okay. Do you have pride towards Nepal? You people?
Yes, ma'am. Because
Do you love your country?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Everybody loves this.
Of course, yeah. Because yes, of course we love, we respect our country. Yes. Okay, now let's move on. Move on. The things which we have pride
Ma'am, can I tell you
about our
something?
country. Okay, we have just 3 minutes. Okay, we'll discuss about next time. Okay, I'll give you time again in our next class. Okay, can you tell what is this picture is about?
Our
National flag.
National flag.
The national flag of Nepal, and one of the things which we have proud. Yeah, we are proud of our national flag. Yeah.
national flag.
Okay, second one. Can you tell?
Coat of
Our
arms.
nation's logo. Our nation's logo.
Coat of arms.
Our nation's
Ma'am, coat of arms.
This is the Nissan Sahib. In Nepal, it is called Nissan Sahib, and it is what? Coat of arms, yeah? Coat of arms.
Oh,
Arms. Or Nissan
this
Sahib.
is
Yeah?
nation's logo. Nation.
It is also called
Arms. In English, it is. Discuss more about it in our next class. Okay, similarly, can you name?
rhododendron.
And the national flower.
Our national flower.
Yeah.
Our national flower.
National flower.
Our national
Forest of Daffy, the national god of Nepal, yeah? National god of Nepal. And okay, so we'll discuss detailedly in our next class about the national prides of our country. Yeah, in our next class. So please, all of you, keep the things in your mind. Whatever I told about our assignment or about the rules of the class, please keep in your mind and try to follow them. Okay.
Ma'am, please tell me important lesson of Unit 1.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, important lesson of Unit 1.
Not bye, ma'am. Bye,
Will you please keep silent?
Just 9 minutes is left. 9 minutes is left.
9 minutes is left. 9 minutes.
9 minutes is left, okay?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What? Bye.
Kamla ma'am?
How many of you are ready to complete the assignment? Can your hands? Let me who are ready to sum the assignment which I am going to give.
Ma'am,
Raise
you are
your hands. Who
listening
are-
your voice properly.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is not coming properly.
My voice is not coming properly.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay,
Huh?
Pratishta,
Pratishta.
Pratishta, how are you?
Half of the students are gone.
Pratishta, last time you wanted to say something, but I did not see. Sorry for that. So, okay, next class you'll get chance. Okay, when I watched the video in YouTube, then only I knew about it. Sorry for that. You'll get chance. Okay, in our next class. Okay, Pratishta. Okay, so all of you, how many of you are ready to complete or submit the assignment? Let me see. Raise your hands. Who are ready? Okay. Sagun, other Pratishta, Unnati, Ayushman, other.
Mummy.
Okay, I think there must be 100% student. Otherwise, I must call your parents to know the reason about not doing the assignment. Okay, please.
Last one assignment or new?
The assignment which I'm going to give, and if you want, you can, or if you want to try, you can do the assignment which are given in our previous classes also.
Ma'am, if we don't understand the question, then what we need to do?
You can ask me. You can send me the message, and I will try to convince you. Or
Ma'am, in
even
private
if
comment.
Yeah,
you can, but you must try.
Yeah, we have to do it with that one photo.
Okay, now we have still 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, let's continue to discuss about the national anthem. Okay, one of the things which we have tried. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell you one truth? Ma'am, I love my country, but not the president.
Okay, Pratista will read. Okay, Pratista, can you read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
slide? Okay, Pratista.
Yes, ma'am. Every
Pratista,
country has its own national anthem. The national anthem makes citizens feel proud of their country. It also gives the feeling of self-respect and identity of the country. The national anthem is sung at the beginning of the celebration of the national days, national festival, and formal programs of honor, games and sports, etc. When the national anthem is sung, we have to stand up from our seat in a disciplined way to pay respect to the nation.
okay, thank you, Pratista. So, can anybody have the ideas? What is the meaning of our national anthem? Do you know the meaning?
Ma'am, please,
Okay,
it says that we have love for our country. And can I?
Okay, whenever please one of the students try to
Can I try?
use your
I mean,
not
simply
you,
respect and
but
love for.
who did not get chance in the last classes, please?
Ma'am, please.
Okay, okay,
Answer, please. Can I? Please.
okay. Now you can.
It simply shows that we have love and respect to the country.
Okay.
Ma'am, it shows that we are of 100 families, 100 flowers, but all the flowers make only one mala. That is Nepal.
Okay, it means that what Sanyothunga means, what Sanyothunga Fulka means, in that in Nepal there are people from different castes, yeah, different
Caste, different
religions, they
families.
speak different languages, yeah. They have their own culture and tradition. There are differences in caste, culture, language, and the tradition. But even there are differences, we are together for the development of the country. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, even there are variation in caste, culture, tradition, but we are always together. We are in union for the development of the country. Yes, Eute Mala means we are together. We are united. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and do you have any other ideas about the meaning of national anthem? Yes. Anybody want to share many?
Ma'am,
other
every
things?
line have meaning.
Okay, you can.
Ma'am, every line have one meaning.
Yeah.
Every line have one meaning.
And
One
that
line
one,
have one meaning.
Sarva Bombay Felieka Mechi Mahakali means that
Our
the
country have our own constitution, yeah? Sarvabhaum, yes, we are the, Nepal is a country which has its own constitution. And the land of
it
Nepal
also-
is,
ma'am, it also says that we are in the different places of, we are in the different places of that Nepal. We are in the different
Yeah.
places of Nepal, like that.
yes, we are living different places, and the land of the Nepal is spread in that Mechi river in the east and Mahakali river in the west. Yeah, the land of Nepal is spreaded up to there. Yeah, and that what
1 minute is left.
Yeah.
Less than 1 minute.
Yes, less than 1 minute.
1 minute left. 1 minute left. Okay, so we'll describe or we'll have a discussion that what detailedly about the national anthem and other national the things which we have pride in our next class. Okay, so please please all of you try to submit your assignment, okay, so that I may know